Okay, folks, in this short, quick video, I want to show you how to add the logout button to any page. So there we are. You are logged in as Janspar and there's a logout button there. So to go to the new recipe box that I'm using here for the tutorials, I want to launch, Beaver Builder, and we'll go over here and we want to search the modules for the login module. Oh no, what's it called now? Just if you search for a log there, and we want to go down to UABB modules that we installed, because Beaver Builder doesn't have a login form module, so we need the extension again for this, and just drag it into the page. And you can see we have a full form now. So all we want to do is to have a logout bar. So we don't need a preset. We want to turn off the login, turn off the labels, turn off the placeholder, set all those values to no, click save, go up to done, publish. And when we refresh the page, we will see now you are successfully logged in as username, and there's the logout feature. So you can add that to any page you want, folks. It's as easy as that. That's what happens, you know. So, and the thing is, it will display the person's username that they set up when they were registering for the account. That's where the name comes from. So if we go back into WordPress here, users, it'll be my administrator account, and you can see that display name publicly as Janspar. So if I change that to just Jonathan, and we can use this in the personalization, of course, to display their first name. So when I go back to recipe box, and that's it, folks. You can see now that it's changed to Jonathan. So that's it, folks. You know, so it's starting to look nice. And in the next video, I'll just get rid of the menu bar up the top, the WordPress admin toolbar there. This toolbar, it's called. Of course, we want to get rid of that. So that's the next thing. Okay, we'll move on.